Depending on what part of the country you live in, hurricanes can be a very deadly and destructive fact of life. Tropical storms can either pass by harmlessly, or they can leave a path of devastating damage if they happen to touch a city or town. It may be the least of your concerns if you are in the path of a storm, but an interlock roof is rated to withstand 120 mile-per-hour winds. That's strong enough to survive a Category 2 hurricane. Category 1 winds can easily tear off asphalt shingles from a roof. But at Interlock, we test our roofing, simulating conditions that you would experience in a Category 2 hurricane with wind and driving rain. We manufacture our roofing from very strong and durable aluminum, but our interlocking design is very key in protecting your home. We have specially developed our starters, trim, and valleys, and use top-quality accessories that lock onto the roofing shingles or panels, and then onto your home. This is why an interlock roof can help protect your home from strong winds and other kinds of weather.
I'm not worried about heavy rain. I'm not worried about driving winds like that to worry about, oh, it's going to get under the edges and rip it up or any of that.
When you attach the shingles to it, the rain can't blow up underneath it and lift it up.
While your family's safety is paramount during a storm, and you should always follow the instructions of your local authorities as to your safety, it's nice to know that your home can be protected from storm winds from simply having chosen the right roof. Tested and rated up to 120 miles per hour. Just another benefit of choosing one of our metal roofs. Interlock Lifetime Roofing Systems. Never re-roof again.